Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about rock, similarities and differences, and how soil is important. We will talk about rock first. Okay, let's go. First, in the inner water rock are solid objects that come in all different shapes and size, and rocks are made of mostly minerals. What is minerals? Minerals is a natural substance that is made of non-living matters. All kinds of rocks are made of from one or many different minerals, and they all have the four ingredients. There are weathered rocks, humus, air, and water. There are many kinds of rock. Scientists group rocks by the colors, textures, and minerals. Rocks are also grouped by how they form. And there are three main kinds of rock. Here I have a mind map of them. There are three main kinds of rock. Okay, the first one is igneous rock. Here you can look. Igneous rock forms from hot lava when it cools down, and we can find it in the ocean or next to the mountain. The next kind of rock is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks form from layers of soil in the ground, and especially folk shoes are in this kind of rock. And the last kind of rock is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock is igneous or sedimentary that has changed over a long time into a new kind of rock. Now, let's talk about soil. How soil is important. Soil is a thin layer of loose material that covers most of the land on Earth. Plants, animals, and people all need soil to live. Now, I will talk about a food chain. Food chain to show how soil is important. Okay, every food chain there are have sunlight. It's a sun. And then next to it is have a plant. The plant use sunlight to make food. Then the plant is food to the bugs. And then the bugs is food to the bird. The bird is food to many big animals, and many big animals is food to us. Or we can even hunt that bird too. And more is plant eat is bird eat the plant, and we hunt the bird like that. And you know that plant needs soil to survive. They need soil to live. So the bird eat that plant, and without soil, plants cannot live. They would die. When plants die, they don't have food for the bug, and the bugs die. And the bird don't have food to eat because the bugs are die. Then it's die too. It's die and it don't have food. It will carry food to the big animals, and the big animal die. Then we don't have food to eat, and then we die. And then we cannot no longer live in this life again. So soil is very important. More is soil is home for many animals that live on the ground. and we can we can put crops on the soil for them to live, and we have crops, we have vegetables and fruit to eat, then we can survive. And that is all about rock and soil. That was a fun information, huh? Goodbye, everyone.